Welcome to the TokMate Speedrun. We're going to go through some of the key features here right now, and we're going to start off with the trending tab and the discovery tab here. This is going to help us find the most trending content on TikTok, so you can see the most trending songs, the most trending hashtags that we can save to post later on, and the most trending videos in the world right now based on these categories up the top here. So we can go ahead and have a look at the most shared, and we have a bunch of different ones here from this little sausage dog greeting its child when it gets home from school. We can then also go ahead and search directly in the actual keywords, accounts, and hashtags. We can do this as well on TikTok.com with our Chrome extension. You can see here, we've got these little star icons and download button. And if I hit download, it'll download this video right away. And I've got this video instantly ready to repost here. Or alternatively, what I can do is hit the star button above it to post directly inside of the TokMate app. I can then also star different search terms, for example, fitness, plumbing, e-commerce products, even this homemade slime someone made. And we can actually then follow and search individual accounts as well and hashtags. So I'm going to do that right here with this ASMR hashtag here. Back into TokMate, let's go down to our analysis and see what we found. We can go into the searches we've just made, slime, fitness, etc., plumbing. And then we can go ahead and segment out the most viral content that we see here based on any of these areas down here. Say I like this piece of content right here, star that to be posted in just a minute. In the fitness, we can do the exact same thing, and we can find the most related fitness posts to do the same with. Jumping over into slime, I can do the same thing. I want to post this slime video later on. I can hit the star button, good to go. And I can then do the same analysis for hashtags and actually for specific accounts as well that we have just searched for. Down to our saves and publish. What I can do is go down here, and this is where I can instantly start posting content, either directly from content I've saved or via content I want to upload to TokMate. And now out of all the content that I've saved, I would normally do this for one niche only. I would then go ahead and look for the most engagement or the most views and have TokMate segment that out accordingly, which in the lead, we have the sausage dog when the bus drives up, and we can hit play to watch it if we wanted to. And I'm going to go ahead and hit this 3 stars here, hit create, where I can then go ahead and post this directly to my TikTok as a live post or as a draft. I'm going to have this seen by everyone. I'm going to hit next. I'm then going to take out their caption and put mine in, which I've now done. I've edited it. Now I can either go ahead and save it as a draft. I can schedule the content right away, or I can post it directly. But we have added in this remix feature for all of our Launch Week members. We're going to hit that, and we can then remix this with what's called slime content. We can split the video in half or above and below, and then choose a really viral piece of content from the database below, or upload our own. We can click this, we'll let this load out. And you can see we have set this up. So 1/3 of the video is going to be the slime content that's highly engaging to look at, with our core video being on top. And it's going to go ahead and play that together. And in one click, we can render that, have that go out to be completely unique, and often get even more views than the original video did, which in this case, I think it was 121 million for that dog content. It's that simple to use TokMate. And we can literally just go back into our saves and repost content over and over again. And we were able to do all of that without even covering how in our account section, we can look at the statistics of individual accounts, competitor accounts, find out their hashtags they're using, who they mention, what the most popular tags are in that specific niche, and their overall engagements, as well as that doing the same thing for hashtags, 1.54 billion views on the hashtag ASMR, and other like hashtags that you should be looking into to find other related content to go viral, as well as segmenting out this many millions of posts to find the very, very top performing ones. 94 million views, insane. And finally, again, the same for individual niche searches, looking for other related search terms to find the best content in your niche. And we've only just started and hit 4 minutes 40 now. All right, guys, I'll see you inside of TokMate, where I'm going to help you guys blow your accounts up by repeating this process and having your accounts become the authorities in the niche that it will be thanks to TokMate.